National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of the WIKY listening area. Here's the details on 104 FM WIKY.
Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central White County in southeastern Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Gibson County, northwestern Vanderburgh County, northern Posey County, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Parkersburg to near Norris City, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Mount Carmel, Carmi, Fort Branch, Albion, Grayville, Lancaster, Hobstadt, Darmstadt, Owensville, Poseville, West Salem, New Harmony, Crossville, Wautoka, Cynthiana, Blairsville, Allendale, Belmont, and Hazleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 121 and 130. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central and Southeastern Illinois and Southwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Gibson, Indiana, and Wabash, Illinois.
For up-to-the-minute watches and warnings, keep your radio tuned to Evansville's primary emergency alert radio station, 104 FM WIKY. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of the WIKY listening area. Here's the details on 104 FM WIKY.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, southeastern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, east central Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, northern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. At 9:08 p.m. or 10:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Washington to 6 miles southwest of Linville to near Robards, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evansville, Owensboro, Henderson, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Oakland City, Petersburg, Rockport, Dale, Linville, Winslow, Grandview, Robards, Santa Claus, Stanley, Folsomville, Eureka, Chrisney, and Somerville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 138 and 148. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 13, and between mile markers 42 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 60. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 1 and 23. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson,
For up-to-the-minute watches and warnings, keep your radio tuned to Evansville's primary emergency alert radio station, 104 FM WIKY.